Hey everybody, it's Dr. Wolf and Dean Saleo of Saleo Wellness out of Atlanta, Georgia. Anyways, so we're here today because Dean has a testimonial that he'd like to talk about, because how many people out there have shoulder problems? You know what? I have women that can't even brush their own hair. I've got men that can't even wipe their own bum because their shoulder is so frozen up. And I'll tell you something right now. You can either go to surgery or you can come to us. All right, is surgery going to give you a money back guarantee? I'll tell you what, we will. How's that? And I'll tell you right now, it'll take us 1 to 3 treatments to untie that shoulder, okay? Worst case scenario, we're going to show you in the first treatment that we're going to do more than for your shoulder or any other joint in your body than anything else you've ever done. How's that? Is that good enough? Anyways, I'll let Dean tell a story and I'll just sit back here.
Okay, so I have a client and he had frozen shoulder. He's had surgeries for the past 5 years, and he had the first surgery, then a few years later he had to have another surgery and another surgery.
So he had 3 shoulder surgeries in 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he's of course on pain medication, and after the first treatment with him, he noticed an improvement in that shoulder.
What do you think? What was the range of motion that he had? Was it like 30, 40?
It was about
50?
30%.
30%
in the first treatment.
Well, if somebody's had 3 surgeries, what kind of scar tissue do you think is in there? But 30% increase in range of motion, okay? So think about it. So then what happened?
So then we did 2 more treatments, and it really opened everything up. He really had full range of motion. He was able to move around, and he feels amazing. But he didn't change his diet, so he was still eating whatever he wanted and drinking whatever he wanted. And
Some people won't.
Yeah.
Some people won't do it.
To make small changes, but he's not going to give up some of those things he likes. You know, he likes burgers, and he's just going to do that. So what I do is I see him about every 3 weeks now, and I just loosen the area up and make sure that that's never going to come back and happen again, and he can carry on about how he wants to live.
And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, if the guy wants to opt to eating burgers and fries, and he wants to come back every 3 weeks to 4 weeks and have his shoulder done, you know what?
There's no judgment.
There's no judgment there, but also, did you ever notice something? Whenever you have a pain anywhere in your body and it keeps going on, it lowers your immune system, but it also breaks your focus, and it also doesn't make you a very loving person. That's what pain does. Tell me that pain gives you better relationships with yourself and others, and I'll tell you it doesn't. All right? So if you are in pain, get off the pain train, okay? I give you a guarantee that we're going to make a difference the first treatment. God bless.
Take care.